Hello friends, myself Nilesh Subhachan Jain, lecturer at DCS Institute of Pharmacy, Devpur, Dhude. Today we are going to conduct the practicals from the subject Pharmaceutics Second of the course Diploma in Pharmacy Second Year. So let's start with the introduction. So monophasic liquid dosage form, which is meant for external use, in that the liquids to be used in a mouth cavity, in that throat paint. So throat paint are viscous liquid preparation used for mouth and throat infection. The glycerin is commonly used as base because being a viscous in a nature, it adheres to the mucous membrane for long period of time. The recommended containers for throat paint, that is airtight, wide mouth, color fluted bottle with a glass stopper. Special labeling instruction for throat paint, that is not to be swallowed in a large amount. So let's start the experiment number 20. To prepare and submit Mandel's paint, monophasic liquid dosage form, in that potassium iodide, which helps to dissolve the iodine. The intellectual skill which is learned from this experiment, that is to understand how to formulate and dispense compound paint of iodine. The motor skill which is learned from this experiment, that is ability to prepare and label throat paint correctly. Apparatus which is used for this experiment: beaker, glass rod, measuring cylinder, etc. So prescription is that potassium iodide 25 gram, iodine 12.5 gram, alcohol 90% 40 ml, purified water 25 ml, peppermint oil 4 ml, glycerin to produce 1000 ml, prepare and dispense 30 ml of compound iodine paint BPC. The factor, that is quantity required, which is a 30 ml, and quantity given, that is whole prescription, is of 1000 ml. So factor will be 0.03. Observation table, in that potassium iodide, which is used as a solubilizing agent of iodine in water. Quantity given in a metric system, that is for 1000 ml. Potassium iodide is given 25 gram. For 30 ml it requires 0.75 gram, that is 0.03. when multiply with 25 we will get the answer 0.75 gram. Then iodine, which is used as an antiseptic, for 1000 ml it requires 12.5 gram. For 30 ml it requires 0.37 gram. Then alcohol 90%, which is used as a preservative, for 1000 ml of preparation it requires 40 ml, and for 30 ml it will require 1.2 ml. Purified water, which is used as a solvent, for 1000 ml of preparation it requires 25 ml, and for 30 ml of preparation it requires 0.75 ml. Peppermint oil, which is used as a flavoring agent, for 1000 ml of preparation it requires 4 ml, and for 30 ml of preparation it will require 0.12 ml. Glycerin, which is used as a vehicle as well as it enhances the viscosity of the preparation, for 1000 ml it requires volume up to 1000 ml, means make the volume up to 1000 ml, and for 30 ml of preparation it makes the volume up to 30 ml. Let's start with the next, that is the label. The Mandel's paint 30 ml. Then for, that is name of patient, register number, that is number in the register, dispensed by, that is name of pharmacist, date, that is date of manufacturing, storage condition. For Mandel's paint, that is store in a cool and dark place. Additional direction, that is shake well before use. Special direction, that is for external use only, not to be swallowed in a large amount, direction for use to be applied as directed by physician. Then last one, that is manufactured by DCS Institute of Pharmacy, Devpur, Dhude. Now let's start the procedure of this experiment. Start with the procedure. Firstly, we take potassium iodide into the glass mortar. Glass mortar is necessary for when iodine containing preparation are to be prepared. Properly triturate that potassium iodide. Then adds little quantity of water to dissolve that potassium iodide. Then add iodine in that mixture. Properly triturate to dissolve all that ingredient in that water. Then dissolve peppermint oil in an alcohol mixture. That peppermint oil and alcohol mixture are added into the mixture and properly mix. Then add glycerin. And mix thoroughly. Transfer that mixture into the measure. Make the volume with remaining quantity of glycerin. Transfer to container. Cork it properly. Clean the container with a cloth. Attach the label and submit the preparation. This is our Mandel's paint. Thank you.